In this video, I'll show you how to move a notebook in Microsoft OneNote. There are 3 common situations and you can pick the one that matches what you need. First, moving an entire notebook to a new location. OneNote itself doesn't move full notebooks inside the app. You do this where the notebook is stored. If your notebook is in OneDrive, open OneDrive in your browser and sign in. Go to the folder that contains your notebook, usually Documents or OneNote Notebooks. Select the notebook, then choose Move to from the toolbar, the 3-dot menu, or by right-clicking, pick the new folder and confirm. After that, close the notebook in OneNote and reopen it from the new location so the app refreshes the link. Second, moving content between notebooks. This is perfect if you want to reorganize without moving the whole file. Open both notebooks in OneNote. Right-click the section tab you want to move, choose Move or Copy, select the destination notebook and location, then click Move. Repeat for other sections as needed. Third, moving a local notebook into the cloud. If your notebook is stored only on your computer and you want it to sync across devices, open it in OneNote, go to File, then Share. Choose a OneDrive or SharePoint location and select Move Notebook. OneNote will upload it and convert it into a cloud notebook. That's it. Move the notebook file via OneDrive, move sections inside OneNote, or move a local notebook online depending on your goal.